Okay, guys, it is the time for $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis. Okay, and of course, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with it. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200, just like I have said in the morning that it's going to sell after getting to this region. It's going to sell, and of course it will be targeting. If you should notice, it has been following up this particular pattern. Okay, it has been moving within the upper channel and this lower channel. Okay, and of course that has been the movement. So you can see when it got to the region, it came down, switching to downtrend, and of course selling at the moment. Okay, so this is still selling, this is still selling. Let's see how far it's going to go. Okay, so far it's still within the channel. Okay, once it gets to the lower part of the channel, then it goes back up if the lower part of the channel is broken. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's move on to GainX 999. Okay, still on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the train 3M train meal trade indicator to do my analysis. Okay, so this particular asset, I also analyzed it in the morning. I said it will get to this trend line and go back up. Okay, you can see it going back up. Okay, and I said if it didn't break out above this resistance zone, then it will come back down again, and we'll be targeting this trend line again. Okay, so you can see it has not been able to break out from there, and we are most likely to get a sell signal right from there. Once this buy signal is over, okay, it will switch into a sell signal, into a downtrend, and it will sell right from there, and it will target this trend line. So we should take note of that. Okay, so since it's finding it difficult to break out above the resistance zone, if it doesn't, then definitely it's going to change the direction of the trend into a downtrend. Okay, now the next asset is going to be PNX 1200. Right from this resistance on, this has been on downtrend, and of course it has gotten to this region and it's broken already, so it's still going to sell more. Okay, so we expect it to be, to get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be more selling than buying. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. Like I said in the morning, it broke out from this um, DOS, and of course um, broke out from there, and of course got to the new resistance. It has not been able to break out from there, played around there, and of course it's trying to go back on downtrend right from there. Okay, but we need this to be fully broken. Okay, so this will sell for a while, okay, before it will make an attempt to break out from the next structure. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still selling. It's going to sell for a while before it will continue with the uptrend. Now let's move on. This is FX volume 80. It went on downtrend right from this resistance zone, got to this support. It has not been able to break out from there. Um, and of course, it went back up and got to this region, broke out from the structure, got to this region, and of course came back down, and definitely to go back up again to make an attempt to get to this region, guys. So we should take note of that. We should take note of that. Okay, so this is going to buy more right from there, so we should watch out for that. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, so guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.